Is Bitcoin going to have a Christmas pump or not? Let's see. So if we look at Bitcoin, it's sitting around the 100K mark, which is a good sign. It looks like it is trying to push up higher. We've seen it touch the 21-day EMA many times. We've had this flush out, which is a bit of a question mark, just saying that looks like it's a large buy order manipulation. And it looks like that we're trying to break this line here. I feel like this might be moving up higher soon. I mean, we still have inefficiencies with this wick here and that wick here, and there's still a possibility that we could still take out the 85K mark. But I feel that if something like that is going to happen, it will be more of a flash crash than a full-blown pullback. We look at USDT dominance, and it's rejecting perfectly off the 21-day EMA as we thought it might do. And this looks like it's going to be producing and following down further. That is all a very good sign. It looks like a lot of people aren't holding fiat and they're looking to put it into altcoins or Bitcoin in general. If we look at BTC dominance, it's rejected off the trend line as we talked about the other day. It's holding below all the EMAs, and we see the 21-day crossing all the 200-day EMAs. These are all good signs for further downward movement. We've seen a little bit of a move up, which is a sign that Bitcoin is trying to push up above its level, which is normal but not too aggressive, and we hope that this thing goes down further down and hopefully breaks this bottom line here. That would be very good for all altcoins, especially when you relate it to the USDT dominance, where if that is falling and this is falling, it means that the coins are moving away from Bitcoin into altcoin, which could state that the beginning of an altcoin season. If we look at the historic data of where Bitcoin has presented throughout the years, we see that currently in December, we are a bit down from previous Decembers. Now, this could mean that there is still a 5 to 10% move available at the end of this year. So the Christmas run. Now, it is a possibility, and that combined with what which you see in the historic short-term bubble mark, which you can see into the Cryptoverse, really good website, you should go and check that out. It shows that it's printing a 1.2 on the bubble, which means the market isn't overheated, and that print and number usually prints before a run. So we could be on the verge of a Christmas run. And what this graph also states is that towards the beginning of January, there might be a pullback before the next parabolic banana move. If we look at FatCat, we've had a break of structure and parabolic rise up. Now we're consolidating back down at the 2 million mark, and I fully expect this to break the trend and shoot up from there. And there's one more interesting development. So from now on, those picks will be dropped in the FatCat group. Once these votes have been done and the level, this number has been reached, I'll be dropping 2 picks that are on the verge of running quite aggressively. All you'll need to do is vote on the skeleton bot and also vote on the major trending, and that will help boost the group and also will benefit you by spending more than 5 minutes of time. Anyway, I'm Alvarez, a 7-figure crypto investor. Like, follow, share. Let me know what you think the market is going to do, and I will catch you guys later. Peace.